Hi, I'm Len with Viewrail, and we have an exciting announcement for you here today. I am with my friend Shahin Moinian from the International Code Council. We're announcing the first ICC approved modern floating stairway, and we're doing it here at the International Building Show. This is a really exciting partnership and announcement that we have because it makes builders' lives so much easier and customers safer. Because we have done the hard work, our teams together, to get this product certified. Can you tell me a little bit about the amount of effort that's had to go into this process for certification and how much easier it makes it for a builder once there is this certification?
Absolutely, it's a pleasure to be here. Nice to meet you today. ICC Evaluation Service has been around for about almost a century in one form or another, and what we do is, in our belief, what we do helps save lives. And as a result of that, the process is very rigorous. However, having said that, the process is relatively simple at the same time. The process is such that it allows the product to show continuous compliance of a product to a set document, in this case for your stairs and for the railing. And process starts with an application coming in, test reports from our approved laboratories that are accredited to ISO 17025 are reviewed by engineers, civil engineers that are licensed. We go to the manufacturing plants to review the quality system, and all of that happens in a matter of, our turnaround time at this point, the median is about 1 month. So it doesn't take very long to do it, but the process is very rigorous, and it's basically because of the fact that the codes are rigorous, the acceptance criteria that we write are rigorous, and also our engineers are.
Your engineering team, they've been so thorough and so helpful. And for the builder, what that means, that thoroughness to the builder means that when one of the Viewrail ICC certified stairs goes in, that they are going to have a very safe stairway and also a stairway that they know is going to pass code approval. And it bypasses a lot of the red tape for the builder, takes a lot of liability off of the builder or the contractor as well. And tell me how you have seen benefits for products out in the market in the many places that you have been with ICC.
You know, what you said is very correct and interesting. What we do, again, helps save lives. And there are about 40,000 jurisdictions in the United States, just in the United States. And for a manufacturer like yourself to go to every one of these jurisdictions, it takes a long time.
Yeah.
So it's best to go to an organization like ours that conducts the product evaluation in a very professional and rigorous manner, so that when the inspector or a code official goes and looks at the products and wants to approve for installation, they sleep well at night saying that, hey, you know what, this product actually complies. And you know, as a result, when I see your products, they look very sturdy to me.
Well, I believe not only they're sturdy, we'd like to believe they're beautiful as
They're
well.
Absolutely beautiful.
And that's the fun part of what we've been able to create together, is something that we know is going to conform, we know is going to provide safety, also is going to have that design beauty. You know, one of the real challenges we've had in the building industry is there have been some spectacular failures in the last few years. And Viewrail's really want to level ourselves up in our leadership in the industry and really show that we're at the front, and that's why we came to you, because we know that you speak for the codes and you really speak for the industry. What have you seen in that?
I really appreciate what you just said, and it is very correct. So our process, besides the fact that we have some of the best engineers on board, our process is governed by an international standard, ISO 17065, which has a regimen of requirements for product certification. Some of it is a part of the certification, some of it has to do with the laboratory accreditations and laboratory qualifications, the inspections. And the fact that we don't just approve a product or evaluate a product, we make sure that it continues to comply by going to manufacturing locations twice a year and making sure that the product that was certified or was approved or evaluated is still the same product. And that's, again, another level of comfort level for building officials, consumers, builders, all of that. And I believe that actually reduces the cost, because you don't have to go to every jurisdiction
really
and spend money and get approval.
And it reduces the builder's cost, it reduces the builder's time, because when there's an ICC ESR attached to a product, they know that it's going to work. They know they're not going to come to the end of the game and try to figure out how to get a certificate of occupancy. They know it's going to work. You mentioned the site visits, and all of the Viewrail products are manufactured in the USA. And so that makes it so much easier for you. And as in the last year, the supply chain has been fantastic for us because we have control over things. So what does that mean for you? I know you're international, but to be able to travel from your headquarters to our headquarters and see everything in one place, do you see that as a streamlining as well?
That is a streamlining. Obviously, as you mentioned, we certify product throughout the world. We certify for the US. We are accredited by Standards Council of Canada in Canada and in Mexico as well. But the fact that you are in the US, obviously it's very easy for us to reach out to you and see your facilities on a regular basis. And this is my personal belief. I like the made in the USA type of products. So it's nice to see that, yes.
So I really see this as a beginning of the adventure with us together. We have a great offering of products that have been certified, and there are so many more products we're going to be rolling out in the next year or 2 years or even 5 years. And each time we do that, we're going to be coming back to you at ICC for an ESR, because we really appreciate the value you bring to us, and that value we can translate to our builders.
I really appreciate you saying that, and please bring them over. At the end of the day, what you're concerned about and what we are concerned about is the health and safety of the consumers. Yeah. And again, what we do, I believe, and I believe you believe, helps save lives. At the end of the day, that's what matters. Yeah, you're obviously a manufacturer, we certify products, but we do care, we both care about the health and safety of the consumer.
Yeah.
And this makes it, in my view, makes the product much safer.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank
you.
I
appreciate it. It's a great partnership.
Absolutely, good to meet you.